Welcome to our guide on how to download consolidated reports in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Navigate to the Business Reports tab and select any report from Expense Reports, Management, Revenue, Departmental Report. To download the consolidated report, click on the ellipsis icon in the top right corner of the Management Reports page and select Customize. Click on Download Excel. A pop-up window will open, allowing you to customize and save the download preferences. The Industry and Business options are automatically filled for single business download, and you can select from a list of enabled business reports in any category. You can choose to include or exclude drill down, select the value of column types, dollar, percent, or both, and select from a list of columns for that report. Finally, specify the reporting period for the selected report, then click on the ellipsis icon to proceed with the export. After entering the period, click on the Download button. This will start downloading the consolidated report and will display a notification. Click the Data Export option to view the exported report list. The most recent report that needs to be downloaded will appear at the top of the Data Export list. To download the report, click the ellipsis icon and choose Download. And that's it. You have now learned how to download consolidated reports from Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.